To give you a good start, the first application that I want you to know is called Big Time Cash. You can look up their website and you'll see how you can download this on whatever device you prefer to use. If you scroll through their website, you'll even see that there are already a lot of people taking advantage of this opportunity. Now, I know you're curious about how these people are able to get so much money and how to use this application. Basically, all you have to do is play some simple mobile games and you'll instantly get paid. I bet that you're one of the many people who sometimes pass time by playing games, and with this one, you can enjoy and earn at the same time. So to get started, you first need to download the application. It's available both in the Google Play Store and the App Store if you're an Apple user. Once you have this application on your device, you'll have to find a game to play and collect lots of tickets. These tickets will then be converted into cash. That simply means that the more games you play, the more tickets you'll get and the more cash you'll take home. Another thing that you should take note of is that the more tickets that you've collected, the higher your chances of winning the cash prizes. The last thing you should remember from this application is that when time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner is drawn. Look at all the fun and exciting games that you can play on this application. You won't even notice the time when you're playing games, but this opportunity can give you real cash, which can be useful, especially if you have some bills to pay or things to buy. Don't worry, as I have a bonus tip for you later on how you can earn faster than the rest of the people who don't know about this trick. I'll also share with you the games that can give you the highest chances of being a winner. If you haven't noticed it before, then let me point out that there are almost 300,000 downloads of this application. That just means that this is legitimate and that there are many people that are already earning just by downloading this application and playing the games there. Once you've converted your tickets into cash, you can withdraw it using a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, cryptocurrency, bank accounts, and others. Look at these exciting games that you can play in the application. They're easy to play and you have tons of options to choose from. If you get bored with a game, then you can try another one. Although you can keep on changing the games that you're playing, I want to share an interesting tip with you. I want you to focus on what I'm about to tell you. You just have to focus on one game in order to maximize your earning potential through this app. There are actually two of the highest paying games here. The name of the game that you should spend most of your time on is called Galactic Gateways. If you focus on this game and continuously play it over and over again, you'll have a higher chance of getting more tickets, which you can later convert into cash. Well, that's not the only application that can help you earn extra cash. I have another one for you since I'm not gatekeeping anything on this channel and I want to share as many opportunities as possible to as many people as possible. The next application is called Pogo. You can register for free and, just like with the first one, you don't have to invest any money. You're also not required to have any specific skills as you can do this without any experience. Here are some of the games that you can play on this second application. Yes, you also have tons of options to choose from, even more than the first application, and I'll walk you through the process of signing up later. I also want you to focus on one or two categories, just like the first one, and you should prioritize playing poker and solitaire so that you can earn as much as possible. You'll find it under the tab that says Games, and you just have to scroll down to see it. As an example, I want you to click on the game that's called First Class Solitaire HD. If you're not familiar with the game, then you can simply click on the game details and you'll see more information about the game. There are also tutorials on how you can play the game correctly. Of course, if you win the game, you will earn extra cash. The best part about Pogo is that you can still earn something even if you lose. Once you figure out how to play the game, you just have to click on the Play Now button. There are ads in the game once you click on them. Just wait until the ads are finished before you can finally start playing. The next piece of information that I'll reveal to you is very important and an essential part of earning more through this method. When you enter the Pogasus constellation, you'll have more chances of getting a bonus. You'll see this section if you go back to the top of the website. This is under the Challenge tab, where you can play the games for 30 days, and you can even see your progress on the left side of your screen every time you log into your account. It's important that you log in every day so that you can collect your reward. They actually call the rewards on this website Pogus Points. When you earn more Pogus, you'll earn a higher tier, and after that, you can exchange them for real cash. Before we proceed further, I want to show you the tiers that you can achieve throughout the time that you're playing games in this application. Whenever you complete a challenge, you can get an upgrade or a higher tier. You'll get 200 points when you reach Tier 1. You'll then get 600 points if you unlock Tier 2, and when you reach Tier 3, you'll also get 600 points. There are many challenges that you can take on to get more Pogus that you can turn into real money. When you play this game called Mahjong Sanctuary, you'll get 100 points. You'll also notice that the games have limitations. If you play all the games that you could play under the Challenge tab, then you'll have a higher chance of getting more Pogus points. If you're ready to start, just click on the Register Now button that you'll see at the top right corner of your screen. Just provide the information that it'll ask you for, then you're good to go. I hope that you'll use these techniques that you'll see here in order to start building different income streams. That's all I have for you.